In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code for a PDF file. So this is a free and simple method to share any PDF with a QR code. So first we need to upload the PDF file to a file hosting service. So go to your web browser, and if you're already logged into Google and Google products, you can just go to the Google Apps in the top right hand corner and then click on Drive. You may have to scroll down, but you'll be able to find Drive, and that will take us to Google Drive. Once you're here on Google Drive, you need to go to New in the top left hand corner and then click File Upload, and here you can go ahead and select your PDF file from this file explorer and then click Open. You'll be able to see the status of this upload in the bottom right hand corner. You then need to go to My Drive, and from here you should be able to find your PDF. You may have to click on Date Modified, and here it is. Alternatively, you can just go to Recent and you should see it here. Now we need to right click on it. You need to go to Share, click on Share again, and we're going to change it so the access isn't restricted. We're going to change it to anyone with the link, and then we can click Copy Link. Now with this link copied, we just need to create our QR code. So open up a new tab on Google and type in QR code generator. And there are many different ones that we can use. I'm going to use this one here, qrcodemonkey.com, but you can use any. You then need to paste in the link that you've copied into your URL box. You can then go ahead and customize the colors, the gradients, you can add a logo image, and you can also increase or decrease the quality. I'm going to make it the max quality. So now I've done that, we can click Create QR Code, and then you can just simply download that as a PNG. Now it's being generated. So here is our QR code. When someone scans it, it's going to go to our PDF file here.